So we are getting ready to leave the dock this morning and head back to Ålesund for a few days before we continue our journey north. But it's been really nice having a dock and a warm cabin to sleep in these past couple of weeks. So Fred, if you're watching, thank you for inviting us. I'll make sure to leave the link to the cabins in the video description in case anybody plans on visiting Ålesund in the future. But the wind just filled up, so we're going to have a nice, slow, relaxing sail to Ålesund.
You want to do lines or you want to do motor?
I can do motor.
Okay. I'm thinking that we're gonna slip the midship off, and then we're gonna kind of be held here, and then either we're gonna kind of like crab off backwards, or if that doesn't work, we'll just slowly go forwards. But I'm hoping we're gonna be able to crab off backwards. So it might require a little bit of helm to starboard and and forward to like spin the boat without bumping the bow into the side.
Yeah.
Ready?
You want to like kind of like manage the side, like push us off and
I know I'm cheap, but I'm so yourself. Guess the truth be told, tripped and I fell over my head. Even though I said I'm not looking for love. Sometimes I swear, and I swear, one of these days you're gonna blow my cover.
One of the really cool parts about sailing this late in the season is that the sun's so low on the horizon that every hour is golden hour, and so everything just looks absolutely beautiful in this light.
I guess if you were free, I could change my plans. Let alone movie, place my head over your head. 'Cause I know what I said. I'm not. Sometimes I swear you're still in my still. One of these days you're gonna. I will wait too long to realize I'm wrong. Over my head, even though I say I'm not.
Ready? That's what happens when we drop it going downwind though.
yeah.
Right, let me pull it in. That's the second spring. Beautiful. Yeah, this is going to be a good one. You got it? Mm-hmm. Nice. Beautiful. Downtown Olesen. I like it. I'm glad we made it with daylight. It's not a whole lot of it anymore. You're gonna try to go bow in or bow out?
Bow out.
Bow out? You're gonna bow out?
Bow wow out. You be yow, you be yay.
Alright.
We're gonna bow out.
Time for like a 360 turn.
Yeah, exactly. I think it'll be pretty easy.
Famous last words. If you want to, you can do it on the other side. We can go. See that? You want to try that?
Swing wide and
Yeah.
So I'll be like going like a wide turn, reverse, turn,
Yeah.
reverse, turn.
All right.
Ooh,
I'll
that's
try.
not. Okay.
Nice
yeah.
and slow.
Wait, what just fell out?
Fish.
Sometimes I swear you're still in my stead. One of these days you're gonna over my head, even though I said I'm not for. Sometimes I swear you're still in my stead. One of these days you're gonna.
Do you want to even hop off and I can help walk the boat forward?
Yeah, you can probably hop off now, like by midship.
Quiet nights we hold them tightly, glimmering your eyes shines brightly.
We have 1 day left here in Ålesund, so we're going to take this sunny day opportunity to walk around town a bit. There's some steps that go all the way up to the top of the city. I think there's like 400 or something steps, so we're going to stretch our legs.
More than gold is worth, hope is taken birth. This is where we come alive.
When we come right now, we should take some like cool pictures.
How did Kika fall off a cliff?
Oh yeah, don't make me fall off the cliff.
Overcome, replace the shyness. Words forming out of the silence. Love will make us fall, but you can have it all. This is where we come alive.
Well, the last number we saw was 408, but there's probably about 20 or 30 steps more till we got up to here. But the view up here is amazing. You get almost a 360-degree panorama of all the mountains around Olesen and into the fjords. It's absolutely beautiful.
Oof, it's windy up here, but we just clipped the GoPro on the rail. It's recording a nice little time lapse, and in the meantime, we're gonna grab some coffee because there's a restaurant at the top of this hill, and I'm getting cold.
This is what's going to drive those Thursday waves into Norway. But the problem is the wind's going to be coming down from the northeast by Thursday, so it's going to be like 15 knots of wind against 4-meter seas. So we need to be in by like Wednesday night. Well, this morning we are up before the sun and getting ready to slip the lines and sail north. We're leaving Ålesund today, and we've got what looks like about 3 days of relatively good, light, downwind, sunny sailings. A window like that doesn't happen very often this late in the season, so we're going to use that window to sail as far north as we can. Hopefully we'll get up to somewhere near Vega, which is about 250 miles north, and then kind of go back on the inside and start working our way in behind all the little islands. There's a pretty big, nasty low blowing off the south coast of Iceland right now. It's going to be throwing some really large 4 to 5 meter swell along the coast of Norway in about 3 days. So we definitely want to be back inside by then. But the nice part about the coast is that there's little anchorages and islands and marinas everywhere, and we've marked a couple along the way just in case we don't make it as far north as we think we're going to. But hopefully it's going to be a relatively nice sail. The wind's still pretty strong this morning, but that'll be nice to get us out into the ocean, and it'll be the longest offshore passage we've done in quite a while.
Since we got to Norway.
Since we got to Norway, for sure. Yeah, I think since we got to Norway, we haven't been offshore for more than about 100 miles. So it'll be nice to be back out in the ocean swell for a few days. This white section in here is 13 to 14 meters of waves, and that's being kicked up by almost 80 knots of wind. So Ireland's going to get totally messed up in the next few days, but then the swell that's left over from that, whatever Ireland and the UK doesn't stop, is going to come up along the coast of Norway in about 4 days. So we definitely want to make sure that we're tucked in behind some islands by then, because it's going to be pretty big swells. The wind's also going to shift in about 4 days and come out of the north, which means we're going to have 4 to 5 meter swell with about 15 to 20 knots of wind against it. So it's going to be really uncomfortable in about 3 days. So we're going to like get up as far as we can, and then run and hide before that gets here. This must be part of the new like Norwegian incentive to connect all the islands with bridges and tunnels.